So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a new trim kit for this Moen Chateau valve. So an old Moen faucet's been sitting in there probably 40 years, and that's what we used to put in. I started in '87, so it's been about 32 years, but they were around long before I started plumbing. So that rough-in valve's in good shape. We did replace the cartridge, so it's the 1222, 1225. I'm not sure which one. We'll look when we get home, make sure it's documented, but it's the faucet pulls on for the water to flow, and then left hot, cold on the right. And so that's good. So the old trim came off. It was hammered, you know, it was original to the home. So we got that off there, put a new cartridge in, number one. Number two, got a new cover plate, then a new stop tube, which is right there between this large cover plate and the crystal handle, the teardrop handle. Then of course, new handle, new cover there. And then we did replace the tub spout as well. So fortunately we took that apart and nothing was damaged back there. It's iron pipe stub out. Put a little coupling and a nipple on there and screwed it back on. You can see we're very tight to the wall, so that came out really nice. Turn the water on, let it run. It functions very well, so easy operation. This guy just on and off just like that. We're not going to divert it to the shower because we just put some silicone around the tub spout and of course around the perimeter of this cover plate. It does have a rubber gasket, and you can see it's a black rubber gasket that seals it to the wall. Unfortunately, when you have a grout line, that's a spot for water to get in. Sorry about the light, you can't see it as well, but so we like to put silicone in and it seals it. So everything is working correctly. This is the hall bath. It's a full bath, 2 sinks, toilet, and tub shower combo. Outside of that, this installation is done.